Alrighty, y'all. Yes, I am driving, but I got something to say. First of all, y'all, hello, how y'all doing? Thank y'all for tuning in and following the grain. I am sweaty and nasty right now, so excuse my sweat. It is Pickle Wheat here from the History Channel series Swamp People and Serpent Invasion, and also very recently Mysteries. I am on my way. I have a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity at the moment right now. I am on my way to meet Python Cowboy. Any of y'all know Python Cowboy? If not, you should. You should go check him out on Instagram. I think he's got a YouTube page, too. The man is wild, okay? He is a one-of-a-kind redneck, as I like to call him. He's got some really good snake dogs over here that we're going to go check out. But this is the dilemma, okay? Your girl likes to fish, and I got a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to go meet Python Cowboy, right? But Lake Okeechobee is, like, right there. And y'all know your girl got her fishing pole. So what's a girl to do? What's a girl to do? Should we make a little pit stop on the way? We will see. We will see. I don't know what I'm going to do, y'all. Y'all hang in there and pray for me. Because these are hard decisions that I have to make, you know. Do I go meet the man and shake his hand, or maybe I could just go away. Y'all heard that? And everybody knows right where I'm at. I think I'm going to make that man wait a little bit, and I'm going to go wet a line, huh? What y'all think? Y'all tune in. Stay tuning in. We got some fun things coming, y'all. I know it's spotty and service has been absolutely crazy out here, but we're getting it done. Y'all hang in there, and thanks for following the grain.